This is the 8-inch Sanjo pole chainsaw, and this is the chainsaw part of it. And all you do is you slip it into the pole, you flip the green lever out, and she'll slip in or slip out. And the chain is loose, too loose. So you have a little mechanism here. This is open and this is closed. So I rotate it to the open position. This would be the closed position. So I rotate it to the open position, and I'm going to start tightening the chain. Got to get it in. Have to get it in there. Need to get it in there and start tightening it. It's not in. Okay, it's in. I'll tighten it a little bit more. I'm feeling it. Good enough, or maybe a bit too tight. Yeah, just a drop too tight. So I'll back it off counterclockwise. Clockwise to tighten it. Nope, too much. That's it. And now all I do is I just lock it and rotate it, and that locks it. Yep, that's it. The chain is set. All I have to do is put the oil in it, this reservoir, and I'll be able to use it tomorrow. Looking forward to it.